So Google VEO 3 has been absolutely blowing up lately. It's crazy powerful and everyone's using it to create stunning videos. But here's the catch. It normally costs over $200 to get access, and let's be real, most of you aren't trying to drop that kind of money just to try it out, right? So yeah, well, today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Google VEO 3 for absolutely free. No hacks, no shady shortcuts, just a simple trick that actually works. So yeah, if you've been waiting to try out VEO 3 and create some insane videos without spending a dime, you're in the right place. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, for accessing Google VEO 3 for free, we're gonna jump into Google and type over here Google AI Pro, and we're gonna jump into the first link of Gemini, and this will direct you to the homepage of that, where you can obviously go ahead and get started with Google AI Pro for absolutely free for just $0 per month. So after that, we're gonna click on get started, and mind you, it's gonna give you the limited access to VEO 3. It's gonna give you some limited credits, which will be quite enough to generate like a lot of generations with Google VEO 3. So I'm gonna click on get started, and then either you can select Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra, but specifically in this video, we will be doing Google AI Pro, which will obviously again give you the access to VEO 3 and lots of other things. You can use Google VEO 3 in Flow as well. You can use VEO 2 in Whisk, and it's going to give you 1,000 monthly AI credits, which will be quite enough to do lots of generations, you guys, right? So I'm going to click on Google AI Pro and click on agree. And then you can add your payment method. So I'm going to add my credit or debit card. And don't worry, you guys, it's not going to charge you anything on your credit or debit card. It's going to just give you the access to VEO 3 for literally $0 per month. And after using it for a month, you can obviously anytime cancel your subscription so that you don't get charged on your credit card. Okay, so then I'm going to provide in my credit card information right over here. All right, so after I'm done here, I am in my Gemini. First of all, we're going to test VEO 3 in Gemini. So in that, you can click to this video section where you can see it's giving me the option to generate with VEO 3. So I'm going to click on the video section, and then you can simply type in your prompt. So right now, Gemini does not support image to video feature for VEO 3. So don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to use that in Flow as well. So first of all, I'm going to type in my prompt. So for the prompt, I'm going to use Gemini once again and ask that to just give me some prompts for Google VEO 3, which I have right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose any prompt. Let's just say I choose this prompt right over here. I'm going to copy it, come to Gemini and paste it right over here and click submit. Okay, so yeah, it's going to take around only like 3 to 4 minutes to generate your video with the help of VEO 3. All right, so after some time, our video is ready. So from here, I'm going to simply go ahead and download this, and let me show you the video, you guys. All right, so yeah, that looks absolutely perfect. And now if you want to go ahead and use Google VEO 3 for your image to video, so for that, I'm going to jump into Flow. Here is the link for that. You're going to click on create with Flow, click on a new project right over here. And then you can go ahead and select text to video or frames to video, or you can select ingredients to video, but this is only available for Google AI Ultra subscribers. So don't worry, I'm going to click on image to video section right over here, which is basically also known as frames to video. And in that, now you can go ahead and choose your model. You can select VEO 2 quality feature as well, and then the highest quality, which is Google VE 3, you guys, right? And then you can select your outputs per prompt right over here. So I'm going to choose 2. And then after that, I'm going to simply go ahead and upload my image right over here. I'm going to select this image. And then in the prompt section, I'm going to simply type that soldier consoling other injured soldier, you guys, right? Okay. And then simply click on submit. And after some time, here is my output ready. Let me just quickly download it and show it to you guys. All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to go ahead and use Google VEO 3 for absolutely free. You don't have to go ahead and use the highly paid, Google AI Ultra, which cost way too much. And you can now use that for absolutely free for just $0 per month. And then you can start generating with Google VEO 3 in no time. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.